phone for more good morning. But attention TV so attention TV yes we inspire you more. Message so be like he Abbey channel so now so a subscribe. Na me fa kwanya we so edin sha kese pama o ye dua o de no comment ba ye ya kama nya me shra bebre. Message so hwe ya no agya o comment. One will say afi we mu ye wo eye election year sanso ne stand wo eye election month. O hwe Ghana has said eye TV stations akese nyina edura no pa ya na eso ye busy a o mo frɛ kuda ni politicians akese ebe transfer ekon madwen ne wo bia pese wo yema wo mywem eye Metro TV eye Dr. Randy Abbey wo transfer good morning show bia wo no so ne kuda transfer eye show na obi o hwɛ eye Metro TV ene good morning bia no hwa wo mo film from some minutes na just say mu wakakra eye nipa bonfo bi na ba Metro TV wo ebe keka kanema hwehwe mu te say e cause confusion wo honom na ye Randy Abbey na nkasa de mu nchemu aba kwan e fa so a sankrofo no ebowura ho be yes abasabasa no ma yentie numra.
What will you gain if you do some of these things to destroy or cause commotion? Right, welcome back to the show. If you just joined us, this is Good Morning Ghana live on Metro TV, and you realize that we had an abrupt break. We actually took a break, and maybe you can still hear some noise out there, and it has to do with some armed men, armed policemen, and some other persons who were trying to forcibly enter the studio here. We do not know what it is for, but they were trying to forcibly enter the studio, and our private security has been trying to prevent them. A couple of them are injured. They actually been thrown here into the studio, and you can hear a lot of noise out there. What it is for, we do not know, but they're trying to enter the Good Morning Ghana studios here, and I'm sure that you can still hear some noise outside the studio, and that's why we took the break. Okay, I'm sure that our people are also trying to reach the police authority to see, but they are here with some policemen. I don't know why they are here and why they wanted to forcibly enter this particular studio in the middle of a live show, but that's the situation that we're dealing with now. Kwesi and Richard, I'm sure I've been able to it's
very strange. I mean, why would a mob try to enter a studio? I mean, a studio where a live program is taking place. You know, and I'm particularly worried for the security staff of Metro. One of them is currently injured, you know, and they're trying to take care of him. What is happening? Richard, do you have any understanding of what is happening?
I'm sure I was the one speaking.
Policemen. Why would police accompany? What's the involvement of the police?
I mean, the point is that whatever the situation, you could even wait for the program to end.
Yeah. But they're trying to break into
the studio. And I was the one talking, so I was startled.
Yeah.
And I'm sure.
Because I realized you stopped.
Because I couldn't understand. I've been here a couple of times and I've not seen. I mean, whatever the situation is, I think that the Ghana police need to act and then handle the situation. It's really not good. It's not really good.
And this is something which would actually happen on election day. You know that?
Well, incidentally, just yesterday, the IGP had announced some measures that they're going to put in place to ensure security for media houses. So the police personnel were responsible for Ignite Media, which is our media platforms, were actually here yesterday.
Yeah, we met them
to hold a meeting with us on all these things. Incidentally, theirs is something that will start from Friday, the 6th of December, till the results are declared. But obviously, this is evidence of, I mean, some of the things that could happen.
What shocks me is that we are told that this mob is accompanied by uniformed police personnel.
Yes.
It's so shocking. It's unbelievable.
I mean, there's few things, some of the things that we're discussing just 10, 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
That whatever your interest is as an individual, you should know that your interest should not supersede that of the nation. And the next thing that people need to appreciate is that when you are dead and gone, country Ghana will live on. There were people who were more powerful, greater, more sensible than we left on the planet at the moment, who have come through this country and they are gone. So whatever decision that you are taking, whatever you are doing, look at the collective interest of the country. Not this, I do not know for whatever reason that this people...
So I'm getting a lot of messages from people where I can say that we're safe.
I've also seen a couple
at the expense of
the
security personnel here who are injured and all that.
Randy, what makes you think that
Crazy and Richard has prevented me. I'd actually wanted to go out.
No, but Randy, what makes you think that we are safe?
Well,
inside the studio, yes. I mean, the studio doors have been locked. That can still be broken. You know, these are not steel doors; they can be broken. I can still hear the noise. It means that people are still on the vicinity. What makes you think that we are safe? I mean, if you close from this show and you step out there, who knows what is going to happen? Especially as we don't know what this mob is looking for. You know, we don't know what is it that is pushing them and so on. It's still a frightening situation.
It's terrible.
The pickup just came in and blocked me. And then they got out and said that look, they are here to enforce a court order. So they are seizing my car. I said, they are seizing my car for what? Court order against you. They said, oh, they have a court order against Metro TV. That's right, but this car is not for Metro TV. So what do you mean? They said, oh, well, they have a court order. And I was on my way to start Good Morning Ghana to come and host my show. So apparently they are parked there waiting for me. If you have a legitimate court order, and what you are doing is legitimate business, come and execute the order. Why are you looking for me? Why do you come and block my car? Why do you want to take my vehicle? Am I Metro TV? Am I a shareholder? Am I a director? And then you come here today, and you come and all you want to do is to come and break into Good Morning Ghana when we are having a live program. Which court gave you that thing? Which court asked you to do that? Which court authorized you to do that?
Me da sese wo twa me ende we akwantua